I've had to accept that everyone cannot love me. Because when there's love, there's hate. When there's light, there's dark. But it was really hard to accept as an artist that there's a lot of people that hate me, but on the other side, there are many more people who love me. I think everyone goes through that. I'm like a surfer, first you just paddle and fall off the board, but as time goes by you can stand up on the bigger waves. We're on some path that's set since we're born, but I still believe we can change some things. So I believe in my faith. But I still don't believe in my fate. Popularity is a bubble. It's a mountain, you can go up really hard, but walk down really fast. If you want to love others, I think you should love yourself first. Humans seem to be programmed to think of ambivalent feelings at the same time. That is the driving force behind human beings, to be the warrant of all things, and to control other worlds. Effort makes you. You will regret someday. If you don't do your best now, don't think it's too late. But keep working on it. It takes time, but there's nothing that gets worse due to practicing. So practice. You may get depressed, but it's evidence that you are doing good. Living without pasio.n is like being dead. Don't be trapped in someone else's dream. Purple is the last color of the rainbow. Purple means I will trust and love you for a long time. I have a big heart full of love, so please take it all. Your presence can give happiness. I hope you remember that. Those who want to look more youthful should live life with a young heart. When something is delicious, it's 0 calories. If we all gather our embarrassment together, it'll become confidence. Those who keep trying without giving up are the ones who succeed.